Okay, so I've plugged it in through one of those old Xbox 360 hard drive readers, and we are in, baby. So, drive is labeled Gateway. Guess that's to be expected. Gamehouse Games. I don't know what they did. Xylon Games? Wedding Dash Forever and Zoom. Oh, this person was a gamer. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Let's see. Boot, deploy, add-ins, assembly. Oh, that's just the Windows folder. I didn't mean to click on that. I meant to go remote programs. What is this? Atlantis Quest? Cake Mania, Diner Dash. Oh man, I remember playing Diner Dash. Treasures of Montezuma. Wow, okay, so. Huh. ATI, yep, that makes sense. Probably whatever the graphics driver was. iTunes. What's under Microsoft Games? Oh, just the ones you'd expect, really. Office 12 and 14. One of them's probably a demo, one of them's probably full. No, they're both demos, okay. Portable devices and sidebar. Was this Vista or 7? I thought it was 7. Owner. Give me permission. Last modified, though, April 28th, 2011. So that, if that date is accurate, that means this PC was used for like a year, and then nobody ever touched it again after that, which is kind of sad. Kind of sad. Oh, here's the... Wow, yeah, even the wireless card is super rusty, so... Ugh. Don't know where they dug this thing out of, but... Yeah, we're gonna call it junk. In all of its broken plastic and rusty screwed glory. Which, by the way, I'm definitely not keeping those screws. I have plenty of spare screws. So all of these can just go with the PC to the recycler, where it can be reused. Similarly, with the mechanical drive in this, after we're done like checking it out and being nosy, I'm going to take it to work with me to the drive shredder and have it destroyed. So if there is any personal information on here, it won't be able to come back and harm the original person. But if there's no such thing anywhere, then we're good. You know, anytime you'd like to load would just be fantastic. And it just keeps loading, loading, and loading, loading, and loading, loading, and loading, loading. Okay, so that didn't take nearly as long as the copy yesterday. Well, the other day. Oh, downloads. What do we got? Bunch of temporary. Oh, threats found. Oh, yeah. Please, show me. Ooh. See details. Where is it? Oh, it's just the 7-zip setup. Come on. They're acting like 7-zip is some kind of big threat. Come on. Let's see. The X Factor, 27th of November 2011. Why do they have that? Maybe someone they knew was on it? iTunes, scenarios. Oh, did this belong to someone in LD? This belonged to an LDS member? Yeah, I bet so. Photo booth for Windows 7? Okay. Random episode of The Bachelor. And boobs! I see boobs! Oh man, I'm getting... Oh, Xvid. Oh man. My antivirus really doesn't like this drive. Is this actually just The Bachelor?
Tonight on The Bachelor.
It is! That's so funny. They just have like random episodes of The Bachelor and X-Files on, or X Factor on here. Oh, that's fantastic. Incomplete. Oh, were they pirates? Were they pirating stuff? A couple webcam videos of presumably the original owner. We're not going to watch those. Music. Bear share. I don't know what bear share. Oh, yep. No, that we got more pirated music. Titas. Okay, so we got more pirated music, which is fun. Documents, Cyberlink, Telestudio. Oh, tax return. We're not opening that. Schoolwork. Let's see what kind of schoolwork. Strategies for success. Okay, so this is like college level work, not like high school level work. Torrents. Oh, they got them all off. Sad. All right, what else do we got? It's on the desktop. Oh, a bunch of suspicious new folder, new folder, new folder. And what else do we got? Okay, got videos. Oh, they had a GoPro. Let's check out their GoPro. What are they doing? Oh, they're snowboarding. Oh my god, I don't care. This drive is going to be gone in a minute anyway, and if I don't run it, it's fine. Chill. Yeah, look at that. They are on the slope. That's cool. I might end up backing those up. Just make like a little thing out of it. NOS 3. Oh, it looks like it was just shortcuts to things. And one JPEG. Which, yeah, we're not gonna... Oops. We're not gonna go through that. Oh, this is just a bunch of photos. Oh, I see lunch. Tasty? Question mark? Yeah, I'm not gonna blow up the pictures with people in them to full size. Oh, that's a meme though. That should be fine. I have no idea what this says, but I get the feeling. Yep, more pictures. Dang, that's a big margarita. Looks like they went to Benihana. Oh, we got memes. We got hella memes. One of the simplest ways to stay happy is to let go of all the little things that make you sad. So this is like those really... Wow. I remember seeing a lot of these back in the day. This is old, like, Facebook memes. Old school Facebook memes, man. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, Facebook. Well, that would explain a lot. Looks like the pictures from a party. More pictures. So this person just like stored all their pictures on here. No idea who they are, but neat. Okay. That's fun. They have any favorites? 13 steps to a healthy pregnancy. Utah. Okay, so they probably were Mormon. I was right. Haha. So let's see. Documents. We already went in music. music. Did we go in pictures? 14.5 gigs. Disneyland Hotel. Oh. Utah Halloween. Tumblr pics. Oh, yep. More old memes. Disneyland photos. Vegas. Bunch of like random memes folders. Man, that's neat. Like if I could figure out who this was, be like, hey, I got a bunch of your pictures, you want them? But it'd probably be weird if I just randomly reached out to them and was like, hey, I've got your pictures, do you want these? So, hey, you know, there's a silver lining. The drive works. The mechanical hard drive still works, and from the looks of it, it hasn't been used since, I see, like 2013. Yeah, so probably around 2013 or so. Let me organize these by date and see. Oh, a long time ago. How long is a long time ago? Show more properties. Properties. August 20th, 2013. Is that the oldest or is this the oldest? Show more properties. 2010. Okay, so yeah, it looks like 2013. So, okay, so this laptop got 3 years of use. And, you know, for a cheap laptop, that's pretty good. That's nothing to shake a stick at. So, congratulations, Gateway. Your drive managed to live even when the rest of you did not. So, thanks guys for watching. Sorry this ended up being, well, more of a eulogy than anything, but hopefully the next one should be a little more uplifting. But like I said at the top, this is the one I dreaded from the start. This is the one that I knew was just not going to be salvageable. Well, I didn't know that, but I figured it probably wasn't going to live. And, yeah, we ended up being completely right about that. So, yeah, like I said, next time we will be... Yeah, next time we will be working on a different one. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye.